Hey, what are the rules? Right now, come on. Come on. Outside, come on. Outside, vámonos. Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. Today's video is gonna be a little different because I have a sous chef with me, unfortunately. And we are going to be making, we're gonna be reviewing this guy on Instagram. His name is Fit, but he has 104K subscribers. He has a pasta dish that is pretty stupid simple to make. We have written down the ingredients right here. Well, she has written down the ingredients right here. And it is incredibly easy to make. It looks delicious. And we're gonna try it out and let you guys know if it's worth making or not. So, without further ado, voila. You are in shrimp detail. Take the tails off and keep weighing it and weighing it. That way we know how much we have.
Take the tails off, take the tails off.
What I'm gonna do is boil the water.
Squeeze half a lemon.
Yo!
Well combined.
Okay, now we're gonna weigh out 2 servings of pasta. Now, a little tip here, guys. I saw this pasta. This is actual regular ass white pasta, right? And I got the protein one, the Barilla one, the al dente, which is like a little bit firmer, but it's protein and high fiber. This one is literally the exact same macronutrient profile. This one is 200 calories for a serving. The Barilla protein one is 190 calories per serving. So this literally is just only 10 calories more. The Barilla one had about 10 grams of protein. This one has 8. So get the most delicious pasta, guys, because at the end of the day, there's not much difference between this pasta and the Barilla pasta. And we're gonna grab 112 grams of fettuccine pasta, and 112 grams equates to 2 servings because we're cooking for 2 today. So in she goes. All right, and now we are going, actually, you know what, let me take this off. Camera view over here. And now, whoa, giant Josh, okay. And now we are going to marinate the shrimp. First we're gonna use
half a tablespoon.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
We're gonna use half a tablespoon. All right.
No, the other.
We are going to use half a tablespoon of some Italian seasoning. Let's open the other hole because this one's too small. All right.
There's also one bigger hole. It's right in the middle. No, I'm being serious.
Oh, we can't multitask over here. Right, half a tablespoon.
Dump her in.
Flat. Half a tablespoon of some chilies.
There's also a bigger hole. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Next.
Half a tablespoon of some garlic.
Minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Not garlic powder, which she was gonna put, you know? But it's all good.
Oh, we need help with this one.
Come on now. Gains. It's gains day.
Ba-bam.
There we go. Now mix that baby up.
Put some lime too, guys.
Yeah, some lime. So actually that's lemon.
Lemon.
How long are we supposed to leave the pasta in there?
8 minutes. We have 3 minutes, so 5 minutes left.
Alright.
Whoa!
Hey. Break it up over there.
Thank you so much. Would this be better with smaller shrimp? Or a bigger bowl?
More shrimp, bigger bowl. Short people problems. I don't know why I put stuff in the top shelf when I know I can't reach the top shelf.
Hey!
We kind of punctured it, but we're gonna get through it somehow. We're gonna weigh out 2 cups of low-calorie milk or low-fat milk. We're gonna be using almond milk today.
I believe for the flour is 1 tablespoon.
So we're gonna put in 2 half tablespoons into our milk.
Dude, I think this has bed bugs.
Why?
Look at all this. Oh, lovely.
Wait, what?
Or what else is that? Bugs?
Oh my god, they're alive!
Oh my god! This is something to record, dude. What the heck?
Alright, guys, we'll be back. gonna add, we had a little technical difficulty there with our all-purpose flour. For this emergency, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. So we're gonna add two of those.
2½ tablespoons.
2½ tablespoons, which will equal out to 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna mix that joint. You're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan, which is to my right. What is this, reduced fat Parmesan?
Yes, it is.
It says gently stir the Parmesan into the milk over there. We're gonna add some micronutrients, guys. We got some spinach here. Now, if it were up to me, guys, I would add a bag of broccoli up in here too, but baby girl does not like broccoli.
Yeah, sorry.
So a handful of spinach, in she goes. Just a little more. I could definitely smell the milk. We are then going to add our shrimp. Now, a little critique that I see here is that the milk is not thickening up whatsoever. And I'm not trying to eat shrimp pasta cereal, you know what I'm saying? I want this to get a little thicker, so we're gonna let it simmer a little more. Hopefully she thickens up.
What kind of milk is this?
Almond milk.
Really?
Yeah, he said low fat milk, but almond milk should work because if you reckon, you know, I made my biscuits and gravy with almond milk and that baby got through. So after 15-20 minutes, it should have a nice gravy consistency. That's what you're looking for, a little bit of thickness right there. Mind you, I did add more flour. I don't think 1 tablespoon is gonna be enough.
Yeah.
But we're following his recipe and we're gonna critique his recipe. So yeah, the shrimp, and we're gonna dump them into our pot. There you go. Okay, next we're gonna grab our pasta, which has been drained, dump her on in. But it's looking pretty good so far, I'm not gonna lie. It's just that soupy stuff, man, I don't know. Then we're gonna add the exact same seasonings that we added to the shrimp.
Of everything.
Tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of Italiano. There you go. Tablespoon of chili flakes. I can't do this. I can't do the soup.
Yeah, it's very watery.
Alright guys, so it's, you know, a little bit of a state of emergency, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and dump the rest of the bag of spinach into the pasta and hope that it alleviates some of the soupiness that we have going on here, guys. Alright guys, so in my talks to Jocelyn, you know, she's a Italian food connoisseur. I'm not an Italian food connoisseur whatsoever. She says that when she goes to Olive Garden, that the fettuccine Alfredo comes in a plate.
Yes, it does.
I don't think we're gonna be able to put that on a plate, so.
Wait, can I get some of the soup, please?
You want some of the soup?
Yeah.
Of course, you can have extra soup.
Thank you. With no holes.
Sounds so moist. People love that word, you know what I'm saying? Isn't she lovely? You are intelligent. Want some of that cereal?
It's all.
Oh, lovely.
It honestly smells really good.
We're gonna rate this from a scale of 1 to 5.
It's spicy. I'm gonna give it a 3 because I like very creamy pasta. I like.
Correct. It is extremely moist. Like you could hear the moisture when I put it in my mouth. Like you could hear like the spinach is drenched. It's just too wet. As far as the taste goes, guys, I feel like the taste is really good. The only thing is the sauce, and I feel like when it comes to pasta dishes, the sauce is a big deal because it gives it more texture, you know? The fettuccine sauce gives it like a little bit of silkiness. My rating for this pasta dish, now for what it is, simplicity wise, it was pretty simple to make. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 3.25 out of 5. The more you finish the bowl, the more wet everything is down there, so.
Yeah.
So guys, there is a ray of sunshine at the end of the tunnel, and that is the macros for this pasta dish. The macros for this pasta dish are 480 calories, 40 grams of protein, 65 grams of carb, and 9 grams of fat. So for a fettuccine pasta, homemade fettuccine pasta. Hey, hook it up, girl. Hook it up with that queso though. There we go. Pasta dishes are super high calorie. So a big shout out to Halal Sam Fit. That is an Instagram page. Go give it a follow. Has great flavors. The only thing for me is the texture, but it's still very good. The flavors are on point. Do I suggest you guys make this dish? Absolutely. I feel like with the serving of mozzarella cheese that Yasha Saturday, it kind of leveled it up a little bit, to be honest. So we will end the video here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Big shout out to Yas for helping me out in the kitchen today. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys.